In this video I will show you how to calibrate the autofocus sensor in my laser. First I will do a ramp test to find the best distance for the laser focus. For this I will cut a simple measuring tool that will help me set the correct distance. I place the material at an angle and make the few lines. I mark the place where the laser beam is the most focused, and then I use measuring tool to check the distance from the nozzle. In my case it is 8 mm. Next, on a flat piece of material, we set the nozzle distance to 8 mm. Now I set the sensor distance. I will use 3 mm plywood as a spacer, so finally the sensor will be 3 mm above the material. Now in the Ruida controller we go to menu, then click the user parameters and then focusing. We only need the first two options. Set focus enable to yes. In the second options, focus, we set how many millimeters the laser head should move up after zeroing, so that finally the nozzle is 8 mm above the material. After a few tests, in my case it is 4.3 mm. Save the settings, exit the menu and make a test. Now the autofocus is calibrated, so we can test it. Place the material, press autofocus and we can start cutting. Thanks for watching, please subscribe and see you next time.